When we read a book, it feels like meeting people. But what if they aren't people at all? The single most powerful shift you can make in your analysis is realizing that characters are deliberate constructions. They're tools, engineered by an author to serve a purpose. Think about how you learn about them. Sometimes an author tells you point blank, he was a coward. That's direct characterization. But more powerfully, they show you through actions, speech, and what others say. This is indirect characterization. It makes you the detective, piecing the puzzle together. This construction dictates their entire journey. Does the character transform, a dynamic arc, suggesting the author believes in human change? Or do they remain stubbornly the same, a static character, perhaps making a point about the forces that trap us? This is also tied to their psychological complexity. Is the character round, full of contradictions like a real person? Or are they flat, one-dimensional, existing only to make the hero shine brighter by comparison? Every character has a job. The protagonist drives the action. The antagonist creates the conflict. Others are foils, highlighting a hero's qualities through contrast. Some are purely symbolic, representing a big idea like justice or greed. So change your questions. Stop asking who a character is. Instead, ask, how were they built? Why do they develop or refuse to? And what is their function in the grand design of the story? Answering these questions doesn't just analyze a character, it reveals an author's entire argument about what it means to be human.